Hello and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday, where my goal is to share something that is either interesting or useful with you in under 5 minutes. So if you're like me, you're a big fan of dark mode on the web. Now, the good news for those of us who are big fans of dark mode is that a lot of websites are starting to adopt dark mode versions. However, there is still a lot of websites that are not, but fear not, there is a free tool that if you use either Brave or Chrome, you can use to turn most sites into a dark mode version. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so the tool that I am going to be showing you today is one called Dark Reader. As I mentioned, this is for either Chrome or Brave. If you're using Chrome, I'm not sure why you're not using Brave, but that's for another video. So Dark Reader is just an extension that you can install. So let's go ahead and install it so we can start to see what it does. Definitely, if you are somebody who's going to be using this a lot, consider supporting the developer. So let's head back over to some sites that are typically not dark mode. So here is what they look like dark mode. So let's give you a little bit of a before and after. So let's go ahead and I will jump on over to Dark Reader and then I'm going to turn it off. Okay. So these are what these sites look like without dark mode enabled. So you've probably been to some of these. This is good old Wikipedia, Hacker News, and the old Reddit. So some people actually prefer the old Reddit over the new, but if you like the old version, you can't have dark mode. The new version does. So, but let's go ahead and turn these on. The thing I really like about this particular extension is that you can actually create a site list. So you can turn it on and then hit site list. And so if you don't want to turn every single site into this dark mode version, because, you know, while it is really good, it doesn't do every site perfect. How could it? But what you can do is you can actually specify which ones you want to keep the old way. And so the way that you do that is you just pop back in here and you make sure that you go into their little contextual menu, site list. And so what we want to do is not inverted listed. So I think this essentially just means that it's going to be excluded. And so if you want to specify on a case-by-case basis which ones are going to be dark mode, then you can do inverted list only. So then you would create a list of the ones that you want to be dark mode, and then there you go. In my case, the only one that I really don't want to be dark mode of these three is the old Reddit, just because it looks kind of funny. It's not that bad. It's just that dark blue is a little bit dark against, a dark background. So you go to site list, non-inverted, paste it in there, hit enter, and then there you go. You now have these two continue to stay as the dark mode. And what that means is that from this point forward, any other sites that you now open will have this dark mode filter applied. And the good news is that if you already have something that is dark mode, so like I am using my own tool for my start page, it's already dark mode, so it's not in any way affected. So it's pretty dynamic. It works really well. And for those of us who like dark mode, it actually just looks great on a lot of sites. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. If you found this video interesting or useful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in the next 5-Minute Friday.